create a new page and add a new database with the tabular view. Select New Database, click on the arrow near the New button and select New Template item. Let's write the name of the task. Congratulate mom. Let's add an icon for clarity. That's good. And add the created time property. Created time. OK. Press the arrow next to the New button again. Click on the multi-dot to edit the template and select Repeat item. Select the repeat period. Set the date and time of the first reminder, 32 p.m. and click Save. 12:32. Add a new view. The type is Calendar. Let's remove the empty tasks. Delete, delete, and delete. Now the table is cleaner too. Click on the dots. Let's create a checkbox property to mark tasks completed. We'll name it to Done. OK. Filter by Done and leave only Done is unchecked. Great! For those who have watched till the end, I leave a link to this template in the description. Have a productive week and all the best to you guys!